Hello all, welcome to SCODEEN Global. Do you know what are types of artificial intelligence? Weak AI, also called narrow AI, and strong AI. Weak AI means artificial narrow intelligence ANI. ANI is trained and focused to perform specific tasks. Weak AI drives most of the AIs that surround us today. Narrow might be a more accurate descriptor for this type of AI as it's anything but weak. It enables some very robust applications such as Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, IBM, Watson, and autonomous vehicles. Next comes strong AI, artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI is a theoretical form of AI, where a machine would have an intelligence equal to humans. It would have a self-aware consciousness that has the ability to solve problems, learn, and plan for the future. Final one is very advanced, also comes under strong AI. Artificial superintelligence, ASI, also known as superintelligence, would surpass the intelligence and ability of the human brain, while strong AI is still entirely theoretical with no practical examples in use today. The best examples of ASI might be from science fiction, such as HAL, the superhuman. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.